Okay, I'm just going to talk about the new Octopus Energy plugin. So version 9.0.0 and above has withdrawn some of the rate information in the normal sensors and moved it somewhere else. So after you update Octopus Energy, you're going to need to also update Predbat. And if I look on GitHub against the releases, you can see 7.13.2 is got the information here on. So first you have to install the Octopus Energy plugin, then you need to enable these events because they're disabled by default, so it can't pick them up. That's a little bit frustrating. The way you can do it is if you go to settings and then devices and services, add-ons, devices and services, Octopus Energy, I always forget where these things are, and then you shall see 78 entities. If you search for, say, rate, you'll find some sensors. So some of these are called sensor, and that's the old one. Some of them are called event, and so they've been moved to the event, but a lot of them are actually turned off. So I've turned them on now, but what you'll have to do is find the current day rate, the next day rate, and the previous day rates, and then for the same for export, if you have export, current day rates, next day rates, and previous day rates. And if you click on each one of those, you'll see it's disabled by, and then you click on here, and then you should actually be able to enable it. So in here you can see that mine's enabled. You'll need to turn that on. It won't come up with this page to start with. It will go straight to the settings. You turn enabled on, go and change all 6 of them to enabled. That's that job done, but you need to wait up to 30 minutes for the data to populate. So when you actually start to see, you'll see the events changing, and when you do show more, you see detected event. It doesn't show the full information here, but maybe on developer tools you can see current day rates and you can see the rate information. So you know that's working. Then the other thing in Predbat to mention is if you're using Octopus Intelligent only, the sensor names have changed here. So you need to add these new regular expressions to your apps.yaml. They're in the template one in GitHub, and they're also in this release note. So in the file editor, you go and open your apps.yaml, and then you'll find somewhere down here the intelligent ones, and these are the new ones I've put in. I also put a note about enabling these sensors next to the metric octopus import and export, just so people don't forget. You don't need to change these though, because it's going to automatically find the events for you, and then hopefully if it's all working again, you won't get some errors and you'll see that the rates have come through correctly. One thing to mention though is on this latest release, this also includes some simplification of settings. I'll cover that in another video. Thanks.